In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to ungroup emails in Gmail. If your inbox shows multiple emails from the same topic bundled into a single thread, and you'd prefer each message to appear on its own, you're looking to turn off Gmail's conversation view. This feature is designed to keep related messages together, but it can make it harder to find a specific reply or track the order of exchanges. Turning it off will separate each email into its own line in your inbox, making it easier to scan and manage messages one by one. Here's how to do it. First, open Gmail in your web browser and sign into the account you want to change. Look to the top right of the page for the gear icon, which opens your settings. Click that icon to open the Quick Settings panel. In that panel, select See All Settings to go to the full settings page, where all options are organized by tabs. You'll land on the General tab by default, which is exactly where you need to be. Scroll down the page until you find the section labeled Conversation View. You'll see two options there, Conversation View On and Conversation View Off. Select Conversation View Off. This tells Gmail to stop grouping messages by subject and treat each email as a separate entry. After you make that selection, don't forget the crucial step at the bottom of the page. Click Save Changes. Gmail will refresh automatically, and when it reloads, your inbox will display each message individually. Replies that used to be hidden inside a thread will now appear as their own separate emails, which can make organizing, archiving, or deleting messages much more straightforward. A few tips to keep in mind. This change affects only the account you're currently using, so if you manage multiple Gmail accounts, repeat the same setting in each one where you want ungrouped emails. Your labels, filters, stars, and unread counts won't be altered by this change. It simply changes how conversations are displayed. And if you ever decide you missed the threaded view, you can return to the same conversation view section and switch it back on, then save again. That's all there is to it. By turning off conversation view, you gain a clearer, linear look at your inbox, which can be especially helpful when you need to track individual replies or manage messages more precisely. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your newly ungrouped Gmail inbox.